So let's dive into it as I see the time is coming rather too close. My name is Katja, and I'm working for the program, the MBA, so Master of Business Administration and Engineering and Life Science Management. And I'm the right contact person when it comes to all the questions with regards to recruitment and also the connections to the industry. So please feel free to contact me. Here are my contact details. And today we've got Uyen as well, who is right now writing exams. She's in an exam period of the first semester. She holds an experience in molecular and cellular biology and gained from diverse roles in academia, biotech, and pharmaceutical sector. And she'll bring a little bit of fun and experience into it, which is great to hear as she is studying the program right now. Maybe, Uyen, you want to share also your LinkedIn profile in the chat function. So if you guys have questions with regards to the program application process or any other questions on the program, please contact me. And if you would like to have some real insights on the program, just contact Uyen. Right now it's the right time to go into webinar as it is right now, because it is the application period. And for this program at HTW Berlin, it is actually till end of February. Nevertheless, don't be disheartened if you apply a little bit later. We do accept also applications afterwards, and then we go into an internal discussion. So different to the other universities, we're sitting in a major city, the capital, Berlin. And Berlin offers for HTW obviously a very interesting and very multifaceted place where you could study in. It has a very international flair, high standards, affordable living costs, and offers a broad range of free time activities. So you're taking out 1.5 years of your life. So you want to make it the studies of importance, but also your lifestyle, what you want to do besides. And Berlin is a great place to be in. It attracts professionals from all over the world to study, live, and work. And with Germany's low tuition fees and very safe and comfortable study environment, I think Germany is a good place to come to. And students from more than 100 nations appreciate HTW Berlin. It's a very attractive and well-equipped university. It's also government university and University of Applied Sciences. So it is very practice orientated. Your lecturers, they are from the university. So you'll be learning from CEOs, from founders of companies, of senior management staff, and also from professors who do have a minimum amount of, I believe, 8 years of work experience besides the research projects. And why is it important? It's important because our university and this program is actually geared to make you ready for the industry. So if you're looking for a PhD, this is not the university to come to or the program to come to. But let's talk about rather what can you actually gain. So the MBA&E engineering is a postgraduate program, and it equips you with a skill set which makes you an expert as a natural scientist on the one hand from your previous degree and work experience, but also in management. So everything that is regarded to be within the management side. So this program is very unique and does not exist for the life science industry as such as yet, where you are putting together the life science, but also the management part at the same time. It gives you very real world professional focus as you are studying with professionals coming from all over the world. We do have around 98%, our last statistics showed, international students. So you will study in a very international environment. We're on industry case studies. You will have a lot of project work. You will meet leaders during your excursion, trade fairs, conferences. It's very transdisciplinary and practice orientated. And why you might want to choose Berlin? this area is also called nowadays the life science hotspot. Just to the side of the university, there's a huge biotech aerial being built right now, where also multinationals are looking into working there. There's a lot of SMEs already there. So just the university has a very near space to the life science. But not only our location is great, but with numerous biotech, medical engineering, pharmaceutical companies, research institutes, like the Charité we just had. I was also talking to Yen about it. Charité contacting us because they were actually looking for someone for the new product to be launched, to build a business plan, and then to be part, not only as a working student, but potentially also part of the founding team. So this is what happens in Berlin for you, maybe in a management position and studying this program. So let's go further. So actually, who would apply for this program if you are a natural scientist? So if you are an engineer, natural scientist, or business manager, we had a few from KPMG, for example, coming from business background, but only having been worked with the life science sector as pharma, medtech, biotech. Or if you come from a similar profession, this program might be for you to boost your career into the next stage, because you will receive project management skills, you will receive regulatory affairs skills, you will receive a lot of personal development, like you've never dived into, I'm sure, corporate finance and controlling or leadership, or maybe strategic marketing skills. So you will gain a lot of other skill sets that you might not receive through a master's in a natural science field, and that you would not receive in a traditional MBA, which is not geared for the industry, because it is focusing on the requirements on this branch or this industry. With at least 1 year's of industry work experience, you could apply. So if you've done a lengthy internship, if you've been working after your studies already, this could be a program for yourself. You can discuss your aspirations with us. So please feel free to contact us. We arrange a call and feel free to chat. This program is internationally accredited. We also have very small class sizes of maximum 25 packs. It's entirely taught in English. It's a full-time with 3 semesters. Having said that, the first 2 semesters are study semesters with your lectures, guest lectures, project work, etc. And the 3rd semester, almost all of our students, they choose either to do work as a working student in an internship, which is paid in Germany, supporting also your financial needs. But mostly important is using this time to add to your CV, to your experience level already in a management position, and writing your master thesis with a company, which then helps you as a stepping stone going into a full-time position. This program is a paid program, so it's rather an investment into your future, like many MBAs are as well. So you can expect higher salaries afterwards. But how do you actually pay these tuition fees, like in the US or like in the UK or other countries? We offer a scholarship, which is a 50% of tuition fee payment. So you can apply for it after acceptance. You can look into other scholarships. We had, for example, someone from Kenya coming who had a full scholarship, then some from Spain coming who had a partial scholarship. So really there's availability of scholarships, and also you can work alongside, or you can look into student loans, as you should see it as an investment for leadership positions for the future, to be more cross-cultural, to gain negotiation, collaboration skills throughout that study. And what we want to also show is, many think nowadays to study hybrid or to study online. This program is actually fully on campus. And why is it geared to be on campus? It actually, we do say that you should be on campus as learning side by side with other students from around the world. Really, you can create daily opportunities to build relationships, to exchange perspectives with like-minded professionals, and really develop lifelong connections as you're coming from abroad to Germany, you don't have any connections. So this is the place to be, the city, the professionals, the professors, career days, networking events to be at. And being a public and governmental supported university with a strong academic tradition, we offer a very vibrant ecosystem with collaborations. And therefore, just maybe think about your mindset on going abroad and actually being on campus. So let's go further. Oh, yes, a new topic that I just quickly want to touch upon. We've got a new module. We're also going with time in our management program, and we actually will offer a new module, AI in life sciences, starting from the upcoming semester in October. And yes, let's talk just shortly about it. Artificial intelligence no longer a future promise in the life science industry. It's already transforming how we discover medicine, optimize bioprocesses, and turn complex data into real-world breakthroughs. So that's why we're excited to introduce this new module. And it's designed for professionals who want to stay ahead of the curve and deepen their understanding of how AI is reshaping research as well as the industry. And in this module, you'll explore how AI is applied across real-life scenarios, from accelerating drug discovery through predictive modeling, virtual screening, to improving biotechnical, logical production with intelligent process optimization and very data-driven automation. Whether you work in life sciences, biotech, pharma, engineering, any digital innovation, this module will help you to recognize the high value of use cases, evaluate emerging opportunities, and collaborate effectively across the disciplines. It's built to strengthen your decision-making, innovation capability. And yeah, if you're looking to expand your expertise, this module might be of special interest for you. Yeah, but what can you do after you've finished studying this program? So potential career paths, you can look at all the companies and opportunities after we've sent the presentation. But just quickly to touch on it, the life science industry is vast, growing, and these are the areas: pharma, biotech, medtech, healthcare, and there's different facets within. You can work in multinationals. We have students who have done placements, who are working now at Bayer, Pfizer, Novo Nordisk, Roche, etc. Germany also has, besides multinationals, very strong SME, small and medium enterprises. So who we're in contact with and also inviting. So this could be something for you to look into. The international, but at the same time, they don't have this very explicit like multinational structure, and you might find your position rather in SME, or you can work in startups. Berlin's a great place to work in startups, or you can create your own startup, which some of our professionals have done throughout their studies. What functions can you work in? It's again vast. After this program, you can go into regulatory affairs, business development, project management. You can be in consultancy. We have one who's working on the European level in consultancy on life science projects, clinical quality associate. You can work as a product manager. So there's many areas you can work in, and you can try out throughout your studies. So I hope this made you now excited also going into management positions. And what I will do now, I will thank you. There's our contact details, but more so, I would like to give for maybe 2-3 minutes, Uyen the opportunity to talk about how she actually experiences having come here, being at the program. So I'll hand over to you, Uyen.
Hi everyone, thank you, Katja. So my name is Uyen. I am from Vietnam. Although I had a bachelor's of science in biological sciences, in the U.S., and I've worked in the U.S. for a few years in various wet lab roles. Both in academic research as well as in the biotech hub in South San Francisco. So the reason why I chose this program, LSM, is because as I was working, I realized that I don't really like to stay in and do wet lab as a career, and I would want to move towards more like managerial positions. I would want to be more involved in the business decision making process in the biotech or pharmaceutical industry. Um, and yeah, this program it fulfills to me both the niche that I'm looking for, so life science management, and the level of like networking connection, since Berlin is a very big like it has a very big biotech hub, and HTW Berlin itself is a pretty prestigious school. So those are the two main reasons why I chose to go with the LSM program. I do know that like other students in my cohort, they also have different backgrounds. Some of them have their own companies in the biotech industry, the healthcare industry, and they want to learn more about the business side of things so they can sustainably grow their company. I know that some other students, they are in pharmacy or they're in medtech, and they would want to be more involved and like evolve their career ladder in that industry. So that's why they choose the program. So various backgrounds, various reasons as to why everyone comes to LSM. And I would say that like the experience has been wonderful so far. I'm in my first semester at the LSM program. The coursework is very challenging and very dynamic because you're working with people from different backgrounds. You're working with lecturers from different professional with different professional experiences, who are actively working full time in their own companies and like being industry leaders. So they challenge you very vigorously. And of course, coming from a purely like life science biology background, I didn't know anything about business. I didn't know anything about the market. So like it's really cool to like learn all of that and kind of be exposed to why like companies do what they do. So I can see that like people have a couple of different questions, so I'm trying to answer them as I tell my story. So I would say that like the difficulty levels of exams, I think like it's like it's definitely going to like challenge you, and it makes it would you will have to um be critical and not just like um just stick to the theory. You have to like learn to translate whatever knowledge that you have and whatever knowledge that you learn in the classroom into real life situations, which I really like. That's what being in a University of Applied Sciences is all about. Um, and yeah, that's how academically challenged it is. Um, and what else? What else? In terms of like affordability, yes, like this program, like Katja said, the program is an investment to me. I feel like both the niche and the networking that it brings would really position me in my own like professional journey. I think that like um, while I'm uh, while I'm in the classroom, I already could find a job in order to like accommodate my like daily expenses. So that's pretty cool. That's something that I did not get to do while in the U.S. That's another reason why I chose Germany in particular. And yeah, so I hope that really helps. And I'll give it back to